I'm scrolling through Instagram, all the barbecue people I follow, and there's this thing, apparently, bacon-covered Oreos. I've never done this before, but I saw enough pictures over the past week that I kind of got my own idea on how I want to do it. Let's get this started. I've got some bacon sliced in half. I've got some Oreos. Here's what we're going to do. Really simple. All the pictures I've seen, that's all folks do. But quite frankly, if you want to get your cholesterol on, I think we need it going both ways. Like so. I'll just show you one more really simple process, right? Fold over that way. And then I'm going to come back, turn that side down, fold over this way. As soon as I get all these guys baconed up, I'll show you how we'll season them. Now we've got these Oreos all wrapped up in the bacon. It's time to season it. I'm going to use this Oak Ridge Barbecue Habanero Death Dust. Now I'm choosing something with a little heat because we're going to put some sweet on these a little later. Now if you don't want to use Habanero Death Dust, you can sprinkle a little cayenne. You can sprinkle some of your favorite pork barbecue rub, followed up maybe with some red pepper flakes. Like I say, we're going to add some sweet to this, so I kind of want a little bite. Just going to season up both sides. As you can see, I've just about got each one of these seasoned up with this habanero death dust. Let's get them over to the pellet grill. Now, I'm using this ASMOKE full-size pellet grill today. Let me get the lid down. I've got this ASMOKE full-size set on 250 degrees. I'm using a blend of pellets today, cherry, hickory, apple. Hey, it's been 45 minutes, so let's just have a look at what these bacon Oreos look like. Hope you can see that. They're getting some beautiful color. I think I'm going to turn each one over. And now I'm going to come in with some honey. I told you earlier we were going to put a little sweet on top of that heat. I'm just going to drizzle it on. It's going to give it great color on the top, offset all that habanero. Now we got one more thing we're going to do. What I've got here, some ground cinnamon. Now, if you don't like cinnamon, leave it off. I'm just going to hit each one of these bad boys up with just a light sprinkling, not a lot. Just be a very subtle flavor in the background. This will also help add some color as that honey caramelizes. We'll get the lid back down. I'll check on them 15, 20 minutes. It's been another 15 minutes, 1 hour total. Let's have a look. I think we're ready. Look at that nice color. Let me get these off here. Now on these guys, right, you got that cookie and that cream in the center. We're going to let these cool all the way down before we do the taste test. Got a taste test helper, in case you don't trust me. Hey, just quick recap, right? We took these Oreos, wrapped them each way in a piece of bacon, hit them up with the habanero death dust. Towards the end, I glazed them up with this honey. This happens to be a spicy honey. You don't need spicy honey. Then we hit them up with a little cinnamon.
So they're going to be spicy.
I mean, it's not like Reaper or anything like that. There's going to be a little kick.
Well, that says death dust.
Yeah, but should be a little kick on the end. Okay, there's what they look like. Look at that. They look kind of cool on the inside. How about that?
Okie dokie.
Look, they look neat.
They do look neat.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Really? You take 2 bites? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. They're better than I was expecting.
Yeah, really good.
Obviously, you get the Oreo, sweetness, then I get bacon. Mm-hmm. I don't get much cinnamon. I think if you want cinnamon, you need to do a little bit more cinnamon. Towards the very end, I get a little bit of spice. You get any spice?
A little bit. I mean, I was expecting it to be spicy.
Oh, no, I didn't like douse them like you would if you were, coating pork or something. I just sprinkled it sparingly because I was afraid they'd be too hot.
At the very end, you get that little bit, like a little kick. But
yeah, very end.
Yeah, not a lot. But I think they've got like a nice sticky. I like the sticky on there.
They're super sticky.
Yeah, I like that. I like the honey on it. That's
I would
good.
definitely make them again, especially if we're having people over. You can make. Ooh, that one was a lot more spicy. I just kind of sprinkled it, so some may I got more than others. So I would definitely make this again, especially if we had some people over. You could make 30, 40 of them, stick them over on the side while you're cooking other stuff.
Yeah, they'd be great for a party.
If you like bacon, try it. And check out my bacon-wrapped pickle video.
Oh, those are delicious.